We're about to do something stupid.
What's up, guys? We're filming a pretty cool video today. This is actually going to be my backyard work video.
Backyard cleanup.
Basically. So I have two very old trucks. My grandfather's old truck, my uncle's old truck that also used to be my first vehicle. But they've been sitting in my driveway for a long time and they do not run. So Travis and I are going to push them somewhere else.
We're going to take the truck and put it somewhere else.
Yes, so in this back corner behind the shed. Also, we're going to clean the shed out.
Yeah, get ready for that one.
So, yeah, it's a very old, again, a bunch of my grandfather's old stuff is in there. Most notably a deep freeze that I think is still running. It has not been opened in years, so it'll be interesting to see what's in that deep freeze. But we're going to clean this stuff out, and so I can use it. A lot of it's probably going to go to the dump. Some of it may be donated, depending what it is, but we're going to bring you along for the whole thing.
Yeah, enjoy the ride, my friends. Hey, get it right? Boom! Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta put some air in these tires, yo. All right, the time has come. We have the tires aired up. Now we're gonna try to get this thing moved. This could be fun. We'll go backwards.
3, 2, 1. It's like in a hole.
It is.
It was much harder than I anticipated.
Jordan failed to realize how heavy a vehicle truck is. Just kidding. He knew it. Yeah. We are also like slightly going up a hump right now.
On a bunch of leaves.
On a bunch of leaves, so yeah, I can't grip.
Slicker than not.
It's not.
Not.
It's not. We're about to do something stupid. Hold on, one more to it. It worked out a lot better than I expected it to. And once we put the foam between our trucks, I didn't damage my truck. But we did. We got that one over there anyways. All right, well, y'all saw that. Got it pushed back. The other truck, that one right there, the gold one, is, well, blocked. So without being able to put it in neutral, there's no way we can move it. So,
no, so we're gonna have to wait on that one.
yeah.
But the good news is we have a way we can back our trucks up to the shed now and haul this stuff off.
Yes. And that's where the real fun begins.
But first, let's get this limb.
Yes.
So, right over my driveway, I have a pretty sizable limb hanging by a vine. Travis will graciously back his truck up right to it, and we will try to get this down.
Woo! That was easy.
It's time we jump in here and see what we can find.
The time has come where we will enter the ever-ending void of the dark shed. Yes. Alright, we're going in. Hold the pole. Hold the pole. Okay, I'm holding the pole. Dun 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 dun. Oh, hey, oh, oh, hey, oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 hey, oh, 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 oh.
So much stuff.
Oh God! I don't want to do this no more, Grandpa.
What kind of hole in there? How do I burn this?
Just pitching a fire somewhere. Alright, so we gotta clean all this out, as you see. And then right back there under everything is a deep freezer that sounds like it's running, but
Heater's off.
oh, that's probably the heater running. Okay, never mind. That's probably what I hear. It's probably not running then. Oh, this is an old grill, I believe.
Grill?
Or kind of like, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look at that, man.
I don't think that works, you think?
Yeah, this might be worth some money.
Well, let's keep it in there.
Of course, look at that thing. Old Coleman 2-burner stove, camp stove. I think that's swanky. Swanky, Jordan.